I apologize, emissary, but the prince is away on an errand. What brings you to this desolate place?
By royal edict, you men are to return to Lordaeron immediately. Lord Uther has convinced the king to recall this expedition.
We're to just pick up and leave?
That's correct. My men report that the roads from here to the shore are held by the undead. You'll need to find an alternate route back to your ships.
To hell with the undead. We'll cut our way through the woods, men.
Captain, why are the guards not at their posts?
Well, my lord, your father had our troops recalled at Lord Uther's request.
Uther had my troops recalled? Damn it! If my warriors abandon me, I'll never defeat Mal'Ganis. The ships must be burned before the men reach the shore.
Isn't that a bit much, lad?
Burned down to their frames. No one goes home until our job here is done. I'm here to help.
Show us a target. Gotta go.
The light is my strength. We'll need more men to fight our way through the undead.
I've come across a few mercenary camps up here. Perhaps we can hire a few of them.
It's my strength. Certainly. For honor. Of course.
Where do you want us?
I stand for the light. Damn Uther for forcing me to do this.
I kill for you. Let's get to fighting.
What you want?
It's clobbering time. Let's get to fighting.
Stay cool.
Show us a target.
Where do you want us?
Hello. Let's get to fighting. Get on with it.
Justice shall be done. The light is my strength.
Let's get it on.
Is there danger? I stand for the light.
Hello. This
Justice
battle is
shall
over.
be done. Certainly. Very good. But there are still more ships to deal with. I'm here to help.
Bring it on.
Let's get to...
For honor. Justice shall be done.
Show us a target.
Is there danger? Certainly. For honor.
Hello.
Stay cool.
The light is my strength. A sound plan. I'm here to help.
Get on with it. Let's get to fighting.
Is there danger?
It's clobbering time.
I kill for you. Where do you want us? Bring it on.
Come on, Shorty.
On our way.
Come on, Shorty.
On our way.
I go.
The light is my strength.
Show us a target. Gotta go.
Me too.
You made the right choice.
It's on.
Justice shall be done.
I go. Let's get to fighting.
I'm here to help. For my father, the king. The light is my strength.
What's happening? Let's get it on.
I'm here to help. Of course.
Hello.
Certainly. Of course.
Yeah. Our forces are under
Is there
attack.
danger?
Let's get to fighting. Come on, Shorty.
On our way. Mobile.
Gotta go.
Me too.
I stand for the light. For honor.
You're kinda slow for a human.
Justice. Well done. Only one ship remains. A sound plan.
What you want?
I'm here to help.
Let's get moving. Let's do this.
The light is my strength. Justice shall be done. The light is my strength. I stand for
Let's
the
get
light.
to fighting.
Come on. Is there danger?
On our way.
I'm here to help. Certainly. Justice shall be done. Is there danger?
Cool.
Where do you want us?
I'm here to help. A sound plan.
Where do
The
you
light
want
is
us?
my strength.
Let's get it on.
Certainly. For honor.
Prince Arthas.
Quickly, my warriors! These murderous creatures have burned our ships and robbed you of your way home. Slay them all in the name of Lordaeron.
Damn beasts.
Kill them all.
Our ships are ruined. What will we do now?
Listen to me, all of you. There is no way home for any of us save through victory. In this land, we will stand or fall together. Now, return to the base and man your posts.